Next, we have creating the ad copy, for which I recommend using ChatGPT. And this doc, I included a copy prompt that you can use. Just click on it. It's a simple prompt for ChatGPT to act as a direct response copywriter. It's really plug and play. You just need to add some data, some info about your product service. So basically what your school group is about, add your target audience, add the group. So in this case, it's probably free group joins, add the tone, and it's going to create 5 primary texts and 5 headlines. So I can show you how it works. You can just copy it and close this, go to ChatGPT, and I already created an ad copy. It's for a group who's helping busy professionals maximize their gains in the gym with the minimum time investment. I used a friendly and fun tone. The goal is to get more members to sign up for the school group. Target audience is busy people looking to maximize their gains. And here is the output, so 5 primary texts and 5 headlines. For this, I recommend using the ad copy worksheet, which I also included as a link. I recommend you download it and then use it for yourself. Go to the yellow tab, fill it out, add the date, add the service that you are promoting, add the ad copy, headline, and description. You have the color codes as well. Yellow is going to be used as ad copy, green is best performing. So I actually have another worksheet that I used previously. Here you can see I have all the ad copies marked with yellow that we tested. We had a few winners, which I marked with green. I have the date and I have the naming of the ads, which is going to be important once we go to the ad account and actually set these up. So then I'll come back to this.